What's up guys and welcome to my channel. Right now we are at Girgaon Chowpatty. This place has such positive and happy vibes. We are feeling so good being here, and today we are going to explore some street food which is nearby. So let's go.
Girgaon Chowpatty is not just a beach, but a lot of Mumbaikars gather here every evening with their friends and family to have some popular street food. So we started off with some chaat at this stall. We ordered a sev puri which was around 40 rupees. This kind of light-hearted snack is one of the best things to have on a breezy evening near the beach. We wanted to have some sandwich, that's why we went to this stall called Sagar Pav Bhaji, which served pav bhaji sandwiches, pizzas and a lot of other stuff. We ordered a cheese toast sandwich and it costed around 80 rupees. The sandwich was typical Mumbai style. It was topped with a lot of cheese, sprinkled with some chili flakes and served with some tomato ketchup and a green chili chutney. Next up, we went to the stall called Kapoor's famous Rabdi Kulfi. Now, kulfi is another best thing to have when you are on a beach. We ordered the main dish, that is the famous Punjab's special Rabdi Kulfi. It was a delight to watch the dish being made. The chilled and milky kulfi was cut into a lot of small pieces and then it was topped with some delicious looking creamy rabdi and also garnished with some orange colored sevaiya. The dish looked so tempting and we just couldn't wait to dig in. While researching about this place, we were very much looking forward to trying this special dish, and taste wise this dish absolutely lived up to our expectations. This was the best dish we tried at Girgaon Chowpatty and we recommend all of you to definitely try it when you are there. As the sun sets, this place gets more livelier. One of the most inviting dishes that you will get to see at Girgaon Chowpatty is pav bhaji. Almost every stall here has a pav bhaji pan and the whole place is filled with the sumptuous aroma of piping hot pav bhaji. We decided to order masala pav instead of pav bhaji, and here is the making process. The masala pav was served with some chopped onions, a slice of lemon, and spicy red chili chutney. It was delicious, perfectly spiced, and it melted in mouth. Lastly, we ordered some mixed ice gola at the Jai Jawan stall. This place serves a wide variety of frozen desserts like kulfis, malai golas, and a lot of other stuff. The desserts are presented really well. Before the stalls, they also have some mattresses laid out so that you can sit with your friends and family and have your food, but it's charged. Overall, Girgaon Chowpatty is such a special place for Mumbaikars to come with their friends and family, have some food, and just chill and relax.
So guys, that's it for the day. We had a great time over here. The food was good.
But the vendors here are very irritating. They are desperately trying to get customers.
Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel.
And one more thing, we have been receiving a lot of frequently asked questions. So we both have decided to make a question and answer video. If you are interested in it, then please post a question as a comment and we will try to answer them in the next video. Till then, goodbye.
Bye bye.